I'll let everyone in now.
Good afternoon, everyone, or morning or evening, wherever you are. Welcome to the Tripoli virtual celebration for graduating students, and welcome to Whitworth Hall virtually. Well, when we come back to the physical graduation ceremony, you will come to this beautiful Whitworth Hall for the graduation. I'm Professor Daniel So, the Discipline Head of Education for Tripoli. It's great to see you all here, and welcome to everyone joining on Zoom or watching the celebration live on YouTube. It's great to see 150 participants on Zoom, and I was told there are more than 100 viewers on YouTube live at the moment as well. So, as I mentioned, we are live on YouTube. We are also recording the event for those of you who cannot attend. So for everyone on Zoom, if you don't want to show your video or your lovely face, feel free to turn it off. But I think the setting already only spotlighted a couple of us on the video stream. So joining me today to present the celebration is our undergraduate program director, Dr. Ogi Milanovic. Dr. Ogi?
Hello. Can I start with the Zoom greeting? Can everybody hear me? Am I muted? Hello, everybody. Yeah, delighted to be present at this graduation ceremony. Very sad that we cannot be with you guys in a physical world on this actually glorious sunny day in Manchester. Just a classical, typical, scorching hot summer day in Manchester. No wind, no clouds. It's just brilliant. But at least we are doing it this way, and maybe hopefully when situation comes down a little bit, we'll have an opportunity to see you in person.
Yes, indeed. Well, later on, I will mention about some arrangements about possible physical graduation ceremony later on. But it is indeed great to have you all here joining us live on Zoom and on YouTube. So the aim of this event is to come together and celebrate all your achievements in the past year and throughout your degree. This is by no means a proper graduation, and so this is not very formal in any way. And indeed, it is a pity we can't be physically together. We all know this year has been exceptional and very difficult, and you are all amazing to go through this year. You have shown your strong resilience and agility in dealing with the situation. These are very important life skills. So for all of you who are graduating this year, you should be very proud of yourself. And I must say thank you to you all. Since the lockdown began in March last year, so many things have to change, and we have to move to a new mode of teaching. And all of you have shown your patience and your understanding, and we really thank you for that. And without further ado, I'm going to hand over to our head of department, Professor William Heath.
Hello, graduates of the University of Manchester for 2021. I'm hoping I can be with you live, but in case not, this video will have to do. And I'm very sorry that we're not actually together in person. Normally that's what we would be doing. We would all be dressed up in archaic costume, and I would be wishing you the most hearty and rip-roaring congratulations for your degree. I'm desperately sorry that we can't be together in person. I'm desperately sorry that you can't be in Manchester with your families, with your friends to celebrate. I'm somewhat sorry we're not dressed up in archaic costume, but nevertheless, I can still give you that rip-roaring and hearty congratulations. So fantastic, well done. Congratulations on your achievement. Any degree is a valuable thing. Any degree in engineering is especially valuable. And I have no doubt that any EEE degree, whether it's electrical engineering, electronic engineering, or mechatronic engineering, is one of the hardest and most valuable things you can do. What's more, Manchester is proud to be among the best universities in the world. It has a unique history with respect to engineering and the development of engineering and the development of engineering education. Some of you may recognize the pub behind my shoulder. It's actually the inn where Wittgenstein stayed in when he studied engineering at the University of Manchester. He went on to be a philosopher, and I think that points to the potential of all of you. You may go ahead with hardcore careers in engineering. You may do something quite different, some other profession or something else creative. What you've shown is that you can think conceptually, you can analyze, you can plan, you know what hard work is, you can work in a team, you can communicate ideas, and above all, you can create. What's more, you're a unique cohort that has overcome some very difficult, the most difficult and unique circumstances. And it's testament to your adaptability and your determination that you've got through. And I want to stress that the value of the degree has not been diminished. In fact, quite the opposite. I think you can point to the most valuable degree of any year. You've proven that you've got something special. And a Manchester degree in electrical, electronic engineering or mechatronic engineering is something to be immensely proud of, whether it's a BEng, an MEng, an MSc, an MPhil, or a PhD. It is, of course, recognised and valued by many, many stakeholders in our society, and you've now got the opportunity to go out and rebuild the world. Wherever your career takes you, I hope you carry some of Manchester with you, and in particular your experience in our department. As academics, we're judged on something called impact. There is no question that our biggest impact on the world is you, our graduated students. So please stay in touch, whether formally or informally, whether directly with a department or through a network of peers. These celebrations don't mean the end of the relationship with the university, but the start of a new chapter. So let me close once again by congratulating you immensely.
Thank you very much for that, Will. In fact, I think he has joined us now live, but I don't think he has the audio settings right yet. So, well, he can come in anytime later on. But yeah, he's just joined us somewhere during his holiday. So the next is a speech from the university's president and vice chancellor, Dame Nancy Rothwell.
Wherever you are in the world, I want to say a huge congratulations to you all on achieving your degree. I'm here in our beautiful Whitworth Hall. I'm standing here with just a few people from audiovisual, with both pride and with regret. My pride is in what you've managed to achieve in what has been a truly exceptional year, and you should be proud of yourselves. My regret is that you're not here with me, that I can't look down and see you, watch you celebrating in our quad, and see your family and friends who've supported you over your time at university, and particularly so over the last year. I also regret the fact that we simply haven't been able to provide to you what you would have expected, what we wanted to give to you as part of your degree. And that's meant you've been challenged, but you've come through that challenge.
Okay, well, a really important part of recognizing your achievement is giving out our department awards for students who have made exceptional achievements over the past year and throughout their study. I'm pleased to say that even though we are unable to be physically together, we are going to announce the names of this year's prize winners. Many of you have achieved amazing things this year, and so we have quite a lot of names to announce. I don't know about Dr. Oggy, but I'm definitely going to pronounce some of the names wrong, so my apologies beforehand. Now I'm going to hand over to Dr. Oggy.
Yeah, I think I will be the same, so I do also apologize in advance, guys. Right, well, at this stage of the ceremony, I would firstly like to make a point of celebrating the achievements of all of our Bachelor of Engineering third-year graduating students, who have shown immense resilience under the current circumstances, managing to study and learn through endless videos, formative quizzes, and those Zoom sessions that we have been bombarding you with. But despite all that, you guys managed to complete all your coursework, exams, your third-year project reports, and managed to professionally conduct your third-year project vivas through virtual means at the end of your second semester. And let's not forget numerical analysis. So we want you to know that we're all so very proud of all of you. And now we would like to recognize, as Daniel pointed out, the achievements of particular outstanding students. And we start with the department prize, given in recognition of the contribution to the department during their time as a third-year undergraduate student. This student has been a key member of the department during their time with us. This year, they have been a student representative at the Staff Student Liaison Committee, attending meetings with staff on behalf of their cohort. This is normally a very important role, but in this extremely challenging academic year, it was absolutely critical role. And this student did a very, 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 very good job. This student has also been nominated for a number of awards, including the Faculty of Science and Engineering Distinguished Achievement Award. They were also the runner-up in the UK Electronic Skills Foundation Scholar of the Year for their work in encouraging young people to pursue electronics, amongst other things. And so the department prize winner is Iram Perez Guilen. Well done, Iram. Right, so now we move on to the third year prizes. The third year, third prize, in recognition of the fact that the student was awarded the third highest overall mark, goes to Dani Guana Nikinga. Well done, Dani. The third year second prize, in recognition of the fact that they were awarded the second highest overall mark, goes to Aishwarya Melatur. Well done, Aishwarya. And the third year first prize, in recognition of the fact that they were awarded the highest overall mark, goes to Tian Meng. Well done, all. Well done, guys. And now I will hand over to the third year tutor, Professor Piotr Dudek, who will present the final third year prize.
Thank you, Augie. Thank you, and good afternoon, everyone. I'm a year 3 tutor, so my job in the department is really to make sure that the year 3 students are happy, which of course isn't easy normally, but finally, I think today I'm succeeding. Everyone's happy, and you should be all happy because it's a great achievement and you should be proud of yourselves. So my most heartfelt congratulations to each and every one of you. Well done. Okay, but I'm here to present the prize, and the prize is for a 30-year project. Now for the friends and parents, the individual project is a major part of the degree. The students spend the whole year working on a substantial engineering problem, and they write a big report at the end. And the project really is a piece of work where they prove they have learned something here, and they're good to go. They're good to be engineers. And we give prize to just one based on the overall project mark. And so the third project prize for the highest project mark for the project with the title Modeling of Deterministic Qubit Doping Using Ion Implantation goes to Aishwarya Melatur. Congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Okay, so once again, well done, everyone. Good luck with everything, and I'll hand back to Daniel now.
Thank you, Professor Dudek, and congratulations to all the winners again. So we wouldn't want to host a celebration without hearing from you, so the students. So next we have a speech from the graduating third year students and the winner of the third year department prize, Iram Perez Guilen. So Iram.
Thank you, Dr. So. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Iram, and today I am graduating from a BEng in EEE. Now, some of you may know me as one of the representatives during this year. Others who are here graduating from an MEng as one of the cohort before I spent a year in industry, and others, they may not even know who I am. But that does not matter, because no matter if you know me, if you have gotten to know most of the cohort, or if you know no one, today is your day. It's our day, and that's what I'm here to talk about. Some may have glided through this final year with very few road bumps, yet for others, the past years of EEE may not have been so easy, starting with the most obvious road bump, COVID-19. I know this has been an especially challenging year, so to those who are still struggling, I say, hold up there, because it will get easier as we get back to normal. As a representative, I got to know many of you in a level that I never did before, from those who I gladly helped with rep issues over the year or even during the summer, to those who contacted me for just a chat or to talk about the material. This course is so varied, with people from all over the world. We have learned a lot. And I am not just talking about circuit analysis with Dr. Agi, electronic materials, DST, etc., but also and specifically about other cultures, sports, societies, the industry, etc. And today is a perfect day to look back and reflect on all of these things that, thanks to this experience, we'll bring with us for our future. Today, we're here graduating. Graduation is a time of unity for each and every one of us to come together and give ourselves the pat on the back that we deserve. This is no small achievement. We have reached far, and we must pride ourselves for that, whilst also cherishing the good memories and lessons we have been part of and enjoyed. Today, we celebrate and thank each other for the support received in one way or another to get here, but we also enter a new phase in our life full of uncertainty. After all, the world's your oyster, and there are so many possibilities. No matter whether you have secured a job, a master's, a PhD, or you're still deciding, what am I going to do with my life now? You're now in possession of a University of Manchester degree that you have worked really hard to obtain, and that's not something most people can say. I do feel really honored to be here amongst a cohort of smart, inspired students. I know it was not easy to get here for many of us. Be it money, support, teachers who did not believe in you, leaving your comfort zone, anything. In my case, it was not easy. My parents, they never went to university. My whole life I went to public, state, non-selective schools where the idea of studying abroad was pretty much alienated. One of my English teachers once told me I wouldn't be able to get the C1 level in English that I needed to study degree abroad. Well, I proved them wrong, and I'm sure you proved someone wrong too. However, this is not about proving someone wrong. This is about together, to all uncertainties, worries, entities or individuals who did not believe in us. We show them our degree, and we pride ourselves on that. We have reached very far. But I say this on the humblest of intonations. As Socrates once said, I only know that I know nothing. So keep on learning, keep shining, and I am sure we all have a very bright path ahead of us. That said, I look forward to staying in contact, and I hope that you can make the most out of the opportunities that lay ahead of you. My most sincere congratulations, class of 2021. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Hiram. And I'd like to thank you for all your contribution, especially with the Staff Student Liaison Committee this year. Not just representing your own cohort, but all of the student body and trying through feedback mechanisms to improve the student experience in this challenging year. Thank you. Right, okay, so now we move on to celebrating the achievements of our Master of Engineering graduating students who have survived 4 or even in some cases 5 years of student life, and in this last academic year demonstrated outstanding ability to conduct their team projects with team members often living on the opposite sides of the world in drastically different time zones, communicating with each other and their supervisors through virtual means. I have to say that you guys also endured endless videos, formative quizzes and Zoom sessions, but one good thing that maybe happened this year is that you didn't have numerical analysis. So for me personally, it was actually a demonstration day on the 10th of June that particularly stood out. It was amazing to see how you guys managed to demonstrate your project deliverables in such a professional manner with distributed teams, with mixture of physical and virtual demonstrations, all coming together. And that really made me proud of all of you. Now we would like to recognize achievements of particular outstanding Master of Engineering graduating students. And we start again with the Department Prize, given in recognition of the contribution to the department during their time as a 4th-year undergraduate student. This student has had a huge influence on the department this year, but also on the university as a whole. They worked part-time in the university's library and career services, creating resources for students to apply for jobs. They have been a 4th-year student representative at the Staff Student Liaison Committee meetings, representing their cohort. They've been co-president of EEE Society, organizing regular events like Meet the Graduates, research Q&As, and providing volunteering opportunities for students working towards their Stellify Award. And so the department prize winner is Yashwi Namanshil. Well done, Yashwi.
Thank you so much.
Right, so now we move on to the fourth year prizes. The fourth year, third prize, in recognition of the fact that they were awarded the third highest overall mark, goes to Ethan Key. Well done, Ethan. The fourth year second prize, in recognition of the fact that they were awarded the second highest overall mark, goes to Liam Cantu. And the first prize, in recognition of the fact that they were awarded the highest overall mark, goes to Christopher Blom. Well done, all you guys. Right, I will now hand over to Professor Bruce Grieve, who is our fourth year team project coordinator, to present the final prize.
Thanks, Augie. Yes, so in the fourth year project, it's half of the overall fourth year mark, and it's what we aim at is trying to address the comment from Aristotle. You know, the whole is greater than the sum of its parts. So that we have teams pulled together which address some real commercial challenges. You know, we've had teams this year working on smart energy management, humanitarian demining, rail infrastructure, healthcare, bioelectronics. You know, the sort of the real challenges that are striking the world at the moment. And I think Daniel mentioned at the start of the event that there are particular life skills I think that have come out from this, and the team that's won is one that okay, the mark was the highest, but I think it's the evidence showed that when we had team meetings, it was just like sitting in the lab. You know, it was totally invisible that the team had never actually physically met together. And so that seamless capability to work like that is I think from adversity comes innovation and all those sorts of things. And in this case, in a growing internationalized world, the ability to work like that is phenomenal. So the award goes to Team 10. And they covered a disease sensing capability. So that's it's Team 10 that offer the award to, and we've got the faces up there and the names as well. Chris, Arif, Cody, Sanchata, Sam, and Omer.
Okay, well, thanks everyone, and congratulations again to all the prize winners. And we will now have another student speech. This time as a recorded speech from the 2020-21 EEE SOX co-president, fourth year department prize winner Yashwi Namanshil, and also fourth year second prize winner Liam Cantu. I'll pass the time over to you guys.
Hi, my name is Liam. I'm half Italian and half British, and I've just completed my integrated master's degree in mechatronics.
Hi, my name is Naman, and I have also just completed my integrated master's degree in mechatronics. We are both very honored to have been asked to speak today to represent our cohort and very excited for the graduation ceremony.
The degree we have just completed has been one of the greatest and most satisfying achievements, and it has been the focus of our work in the past 4 years. We are very grateful to have studied in a university such as the University of Manchester, and are very proud of all the great projects that we have completed throughout our degree. Starting from the ESP Buggy project, which ended with a very entertaining competition, and finally with our fourth year team project, which has been the largest venture we have undertaken yet, and has given us key experiences for our future in the industry. We would like to thank all of the teaching and the administrative staff, which has made our valuable learning experience in Manchester possible.
One of my favorite extracurricular experiences has been being involved with a number of societies across the university, such as the EEE Society and the Indian Society of Manchester. In fact, it has allowed me to consider a backup career option in event management. Fortunately, I managed to get a job, so I don't need to worry about my backup option just yet. I have also been very fortunate to be a student rep at my time in the university this year, but unfortunately due to COVID, I couldn't get the free sandwich or pizza.
One of my favourite parts of my experience in the University of Manchester has been the possibility I was given to pursue many extracurricular activities, which gave me even more chances to grow as a person and to meet great people. These include my experiences with Naman as well in the EEE Society and the International Society, which are a great chance to organise fun events and to socialise with coursemates and other students.
In a recent survey, people were asked, what is the second best city of the United Kingdom? Residents of Birmingham said Birmingham, and those from Leeds said Leeds, but people from Manchester said London. This clearly defines the united and diverse vibe of the city. Well, we are at the hub of food and football. What's not to love?
We are so glad we chose Manchester as the place we would pursue our degree in, and over the years we have fallen in love with the city. We have never before faced so much diversity, and it was a great experience for us to meet people from many different backgrounds. The vibrant and always active life in the city has been one of the best parts of our experience here. The dubious reliability of the La Magic bus, the gay village and the Northern Quarter can't be experienced anywhere else. It has definitely been a life-enriching experience to move to a new country and city to live on our own.
The past 2 years have been some of the most difficult some of us have had to face because of the ongoing pandemic, but we are so proud of ourselves, the department, and all of our classmates for our perseverance in achieving our degree despite all these difficulties. In a certain way, having to adapt to the situation has given us new skills and has allowed us to develop new ways to work.
The pandemic has made it difficult to make plans for the future, but I am sure that all of the graduates here today have the ability and skills to go out in the working world and to make a difference. We can never know what we will encounter, but hopefully our generation will make a change in the world, especially in these delicate times we live in. I would like to say good luck to all of our course mates for the future, although I'm sure they will not need it. If you don't plan on studying more, congrats! It's time to pay up those student loans. If you do intend to study more though, don't forget to thank your parents for their financial support.
Finally, we would like to thank the university and the department for creating the teaching experience that brought us here, our families for their continuous support, and our friends and coursemates for the great times during these years and the support they have given us. And what matters in the end is, we did it!
We did it! Woo!
Congratulations, everyone!
Congratulations!
Thank you. That's a very good speech and a very good double act. Thank you, Liam and Nana. Indeed, you all made it. You all did it. Well done. So next up, we have the MSc prizes. In EEE, we have 2-year MSc programs where students spend the entire second year on a research project. Although the Advanced EPSE program has been established for a few years, this year is the first time that we have the other 2-year MSc programs graduating students. As in other undergraduate programs, we also have prize winners for each of these MSc programs. So the first award is for the Advanced EPSE MSc program. The award was supposed to be given by Dr. Levy, but unfortunately he has some internet problems and he can't join us here today, so I will be giving that award. Advanced EPSE was the first one that provided the 2-year MSc programs, and so then the pioneers in setting up the lengthy research project for our MSc students. And so our students graduating on this program has already reached a great group of alumni working in the power industry. The winner of the Top Student of the Year Award for Best Overall Performance across Year 1 and 2 is Kanitat Sasomfosawat. They have also won the Research Excellence Award for the best research performance in year 2 for their project investigating the use of frequency services to stabilize low inertia power systems. Congratulations. And now I'll pass the time to Dr. Kiri Hamdi. He is the course director for communication and signal processing, and I'll pass the time for him to announce the award winners.
Yeah, hi, my name is Kiri Hamdi, and I am the director of the MEC course in communication and signal processing. So this year is the first year to graduate students from the 2 years program with an extended research in communication systems and signal processing. So the winner of the top student of the year award for best overall performance across years 1 and 2 is Yifei Li. He has won the Research Excellence Award for this research performance in year 2 for the project on sum rate maximization for cache-aided NOMA using coded multicasting and intelligent reflecting surface. This is a technique which is a potential technique for next generation wireless networks. So congratulations for Yifei and all others for the achievement today. I will now pass over to Long Zhang to present the prizes for the automatic control system engineering award.
Yeah, good afternoon, everyone. I'm Long Zhang, the course director for Advanced Control and System Engineering. Actually, I want to mention the University of Manchester already delivered the Advanced Control and System Engineering teaching over 50 years. But 2 years ago, we set up the 2-year MSc. So now it's the first time we have fresh graduates. So many congratulations. In nowadays, we have experienced difficulty due to the pandemic, but we have seen the wider application for our control techniques because more and more society require less human involved. So the control or automation is essential techniques. We have very wide applications, including automation, autonomous systems, as well as robotics, power system across many areas. So if you choose 2-year MSc, you have great opportunity to carry out in-depth either in theory or applications. So now I would like to announce the top student awards of this year. The winner is Mehmet. The winner of the top student of the year is Mehmet Bazulu. Congratulations. Also, he won the Best Research Excellence Award for the dissertation. So his dissertation title is learning to flock, self-organized flocking with deep reinforcement learning. Many congratulations, and also congratulations every single of you. Now I would like to pass back to Daniel and Augie. Thank you.
Alumnus of the EEE department, Charles Vies. He graduated from an MEng degree and also a PhD degree from our department, and is now a managing director of Photonics. So I'll pass the time to you, Charles.
Thanks, Daniel, and congratulations all, and well done for completing this chapter at the start of your careers. It was only, I think 7 years ago now, I first graduated from this school for the first time, as you can see, before then doing it all again, because it was so enjoyable with a PhD 4 years later. In fact, some of you may have been lucky enough at the start of your university journey to come across me as a lab demonstrator. For that, I can only apologize. I think looking back at my time in Sackville Street, I knew what I was interested in. I was always interested in sort of sensing and imaging through a number of the modules, digital image processing, sensing introduction. But it was actually my master's project, which was looking at creating sensors for developing farms, that introduced me to the world of agricultural electronics. Before then, I had a bit of a preconception that farming was all sort of pitchforks and Wellington boots. And actually, it was that project that opened my eyes to some of the largest global companies and the level of innovation and development and opportunities that was there. And out of that project, we got some funding from the Manchester Business School, and this eventually led to a PhD focusing on the topic of imaging in agriculture, which looked at drive electronics, machine vision, artificial intelligence, and create a scanner to diagnose disease in plants. This research continued. There was publications, a patent, and eventually the startup company Photonics was formed, which over the past 3 years has really evolved from a thesis to 7 people, of which 4 came from the University of Manchester, and we now work with quite large multinational clients and have been involved in over £7 million worth of new development, looking to protect our planet's food production through the use of imaging and artificial intelligence. I think the take-home message from me to you guys is that none of this was planned. You know, when I first graduated, I'd accepted a job offer with National Grid as part of a Power Academy scholarship, and it was the last-minute offer of a PhD that changed the bearing of my sort of career trajectory permanently. And I think the advice I would pass down is to expect this and welcome it. You know, you challenge yourself, and you can always go back to safe options, but you don't get many opportunities in life to try something new and a bit scary. And you're at the best point now to do that and sort of roll the dice. You know, there's plenty of time to come back to it if it doesn't work out. I think finally it would be a miss for me to not take advantage to talk to such a great sort of talent pool for those that are interested in agriculture or finding out more. Please reach out to either me on LinkedIn or Professor Grieve is inside your school, and I'd happily to discuss more. I think it's lots of opportunities and some interesting sector with those of capabilities that are graduating with your talents. So I think with that, I'd say good luck and enjoy the next steps and reward yourselves for all the hard work that you've done. Thank you.
Thank you, Charles. Thank you for the very good speech. And indeed, well, there are so many opportunities out there for all of you graduates. And I hope you grab it and then pursue your dreams. Next, we have a speech from our head of school, Professor Alice Larkin.
Hello, my name is Alice Larkin. I'm a professor of climate science and energy policy, and I'm also the head of School of Engineering here at the University of Manchester. Despite the fact that I don't get the pleasure of seeing you all in person at this summer's graduation ceremony, it is a great honour as the head of School of Engineering to wish you all a huge congratulations on your achievements. As a Mancunian myself, I share the connection that I'm sure you feel very strongly with Manchester, but one that has been challenged in a physical sense, as the way in which we've all been working and learning has been so different through this period that has been impacted by the global pandemic. Nevertheless, the skills and experience that you've all gained at our great university and city, and indeed the resilience that you've shown over the past year and more, provide a unique launchpad for you to embark on the next stages of your life. Your connections with Manchester are embedded now, and they will continue to influence you for many years to come. In graduation ceremonies, I usually talk about how engineering and computer science have never been more important, given all the global challenges that we face. These can include climate change, material resource constraints, and global poverty. All these challenges require your curiosity, your problem solving, design, and analytical skills. But this statement has really gained gravity during 2021, as I hear myself saying these words. Constructing and developing a post-COVID-19 world will need you, your skills, your experiences, your resilience, and your insights now more than ever. Your achievements that we are all celebrating today will already be transitioning into opportunities that you'll be able to realise, connecting your Manchester experiences with the needs of the wider community, industry, and society. This will enable you to play a part in building a better, fairer, more resilient world and really making a difference. I wholeheartedly wish you all the best for the future and look forward very much to hopefully celebrating with you in person when the circumstances allow again. Congratulations.
Thank you, Alice. So it has been a difficult year. In the past year, obviously, everyone has struggled. It is not easy to get through this year, but our students have done lots of great work and received recognition from a variety of places. So 14 of our students have received a Steadify Award. So we would like to congratulate the graduates from our school who have achieved these Steadify Awards. This year has been, again, a particularly challenging one, and so these achievements is even more impressive under the stress that you guys have endured, and you still have achieved great things. Steadify offers students a unique and personalized set of activities designed to help them develop the distinctive attributes of a University of Manchester graduate: socially responsible, highly employable, and resourceful global citizens who are able to make a positive contribution to society as well as their workplace. We are very proud that so many of you have taken part in different opportunities, broadened your horizons, examined and challenged real-world issues, that have supported your peers and made a difference in local and global communities. Whilst each Steadify path is unique, the cumulative impact and influence is far-reaching. So here, I'm going to announce the EEE Steadify winners. And they are Anis Abdul Aziz, Victor Adeshina, Suha Aran, Liam Cantu, Dario Chiriquinga Lozano, Lennon Cruz Krishape, Gridas Divisa Chikwari, Ariana Escobar Shellen, Joshua Fred, Viviana Pazos Puente, Daniel Peters, Ariane Perez-Gillen, Joshua Naman Seal, Judith Zavastaf, and Shah Miran Zia. Congratulations to you all.
Right. So several of our graduating students also won EEE Social Responsibility Awards. And these are awards judged by a panel of our department staff, both academic and non-academic. Excellent contribution to well-being was awarded to Min Vu and Sharbol Charnodi for their work as PASS coordinators. Our PASS scheme has actually won an Outstanding Scheme Award for Unsung Scheme of the CS Peer Support Awards, which is a huge achievement. So congratulations actually to Min Vu and Sharbol Charnodi, but also everyone else involved in the PASS scheme. Excellent contribution to environmental sustainability was awarded to Christopher Fagali, Amrik Bachia, Daniel Welsh, Eric Jayashemi, Nrina Rabi, and Robert Moxon for their work on their fourth-year project titled Telerobotic Excavator for Humanitarian Demining. Outstanding widening participation in the field of science and engineering goes to Iram Perez-Guilen and Yashwi Naman Shil. And then excellent contribution to equality and diversity goes to Maria Irina Oncea for work in the Schilling Network, putting on events, including a virtual coffee morning and quiz to celebrate International Women's Day. Maria also took over the @UOM EEE Instagram account on International Women's Day to talk about the Schilling Network Manchester, her female role models, and more. She did such a good job that she's doing another takeover on the accounts today. Well done, everybody.
Congratulations to all of you again. now. And now we have put something together to say congratulations to all graduating students and to show how proud we are of what you have achieved. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this short video.
Many congratulations on your graduation. I wish you a very bright future.
Congratulations everyone for getting through a very difficult final year, and best wishes for your future careers. Well done.
Congratulations everyone. This year has been so hard for all of you, so you should be incredibly proud of everything you've achieved. Good luck in whatever you do next.
Congratulations. Congratulations. Class of 2021. And yeah!
Congratulations to the class of 2021. We are so proud of you all and all your achievements during such a difficult time. A special thanks goes to the past coordinators, leaders, reps and society committee members for supporting our students and putting on exciting sessions. Thank you. Congratulations again, wishing you all the best for the future.
High point, or maybe this was a low point. It's all behind you now and you're finished. Congratulations on your graduation. All the very best of luck for the future.
Congratulations from me and Tan.
Congratulations, guys!
Okay, I
had to carry that piece of paper all the way to the top.
congratulations once again. And as we are nearing towards the end of the celebration, we would like to invite you all to unmute yourself, clap, and cheer for the EEE graduation class of 2021.
Done, everyone.
Congratulations.
Well done. Well done.
Again.
This is great, and it's really wonderful to see you all on Zoom. And a final graduation, congratulations to you all. We're really glad we were able to celebrate together virtually all around the world today. We really hope that we will be seeing you all in person at your graduation next year, with a full ceremony here in Manchester. These ceremonies will take place in either spring 2022 or summer 2022, with exact timeframes for individual cohorts still to be determined. Of course, we have to take into account the latest government advice at the time. However, we are planning for physical graduation in the next calendar year, and hopefully we will be able to see you there. But until then, a huge well done and best wishes from all of us in EEE. And we will finish with one final video from the university's Chancellor, Lim Sisay, OBE.
Student life, the common rooms, the crowded buses, the endless cups of tea and trying to find a seat in the alley G. Do you remember how it all stopped? You should be donning your gown and flinging your cap into the air right now. Yet despite this crisis, you still did what you do best. Your work continued, your spirit remained, you persisted. These things make us Mancunians, no matter where we're from, confronting change, surviving and growing, using knowledge, wisdom and humanity, finding Manchester solutions together. Our teaching staff, our researchers, our support staff, our alumni, our friends and family applaud you, the full-time, part-time, online learners, philosophers, inventors, dreamers and groundbreakers, the class that stood up to the toughest of tests and excelled. The class of 2021. You're part of our history and also our future, carrying the Mancunian spirit beyond our campus and out into the world. After all, we are all Manchester, and that's something to celebrate. Congratulations, class of 2021.
It's what a great video, and thanks for coming and thanks for joining us on Zoom today. But don't go yet. Well, we are going to stop recording and streaming now, but we'll be staying around to have a chat for a while. We will also open a number of breakout rooms that you should be able to join yourself. So it's time. You can stay here and have a chat with us, or you can